Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to add someone on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to add someone on Telegram, you can do it from the Telegram itself as well as the phone. So in order to proceed, we'll be going to the Telegram app itself. So after you have opened your Telegram app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there is a pen icon available for us and the camera icon. So in order to add a contact on Telegram or add someone on Telegram, first tap on the pen icon over here just above the camera, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see there is the person with the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and this kind of forum will appear where you will be required to enter the details of the contact, include their name and their number, and tap on the create contact. And if they are available or signed up for a Telegram account, then they will be available on the contact list of your account on your phone over here on contacts. But if they have not, they won't be available. The second way is similarly save your contact phone number on dial pad of your phone, and you can create a new contact from over here. After creating a contact, guys, enter their name, last name, and the correct details of your friend whom you want to add on Telegram, and save it on your friend. And after you have done that, if they have again signed up for a Telegram account or created a Telegram account, they will be available on the contact section of your phone over here. But if they haven't signed up for a Telegram account, even if you add them, they won't be available over here. And that being said, guys, this is how to add someone on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.